Alright, in our reverse a string challenge, you're going to need to reverse a provided string. We've got a couple examples down below. If you're provided a string of car, you will want to return a string RAC. If you're provided a string of bar, BAR, you will want to provide a string of RAB in return. In this approach, we're going to use built-in functions, which we've already learned in previous challenges. So this is going to be a great challenge to really measure how much you're growing. I'd say go ahead, pause the video, try to write up pseudocode, and come up with the coding solution to this challenge as well. So far we've had all the tools that we need to do this. Good luck. In a few moments, I will walk you through my pseudocode and code solution. Alright, hopefully that was pretty straightforward for you. Step 1 is just going to be to split our string into an array, and you can assign it to the variable array_to_string, or whatever you choose. Step 2 is going to be to reverse the array, and you can assign it to a variable called reverse_array. Step 3 will be to join the array into a string and assign it to another variable, such as reverse_string. Then finally, you're going to return this reversed string. And alternatively, you can do all of this in one line of code. So we're going to go ahead and walk through this quickly. We'll declare a variable array_to_string and set it equal to string.split, and we'll pass in an empty string to turn our string into an array of individual characters. Step 2 is going to be to reverse our array. So we'll declare a variable reverse array, and we'll set it equal to array to string.reverse. Next step is going to be to join this reversed array back into a string. So we'll declare a variable reverse string, and we'll set it equal to reverse array.join, and we'll pass in an empty string joining those individual characters into one string. Now we'll just simply return reverse string, and if we go into our console and run our code, we get RAC and RAB as we would expect from our two test case. Now quickly, we'll just go ahead and look at how we can do all of this in one line of code. We can simply return string.split, pass in our empty string, dot reverse method that will chain onto it, and then we'll chain onto it the join method as well with an empty string. We can clear our console, run our code, and we get the same results. Now we're going to take on this challenge a few more times, but each time we're going to learn a different level of complexity. So I see you in the next challenge.